Just wanted to play what was in front of me, the balls, runs, Bumrah. Not very often I get to bat. So yeah, one of those days. See, look, I came back from England. I felt like I was in good nick. Even in the practice games that we were playing, I was striking the ball pretty well whenever I went in. I felt like something had clicked. I got my flow back from some years ago where I felt like I was batting really well. And all the 3 innings that I batted so far, I felt like I could contribute and I was hitting the ball well. So I was blank. I was not thinking anything. Just wanted to play what was in front of me, the balls, runs, Bumrah. So that was all I was playing and just taking it. I was glad I took some time because it was one of those pitches where you couldn't go on and start playing your shots. So once I got a hang of what the pitch was, then the shot selection became slightly easier. So look, I think these sort of pitches, generally you have to take the game a little square in terms of run scoring options. And like I had an interesting day with the ball as well. And I was bowling, the end that I was bowling from had a lot of breeze going. So when Krunal came into bowl, it was the opposite side. So going down the ground wasn't a great option. And the breeze was directly opposite. So I thought I'll try and take it square. And I believe Krunal will, try and pull his length back. So that was the right shot to go. And I did tell Shreyas that he has to bat through. If at all there are any chances that he'll be taken, I'll take it. So a couple of times Shreyas tried, it ballooned up in the air and all that. So I didn't want any of that sort of things to happen. Even if I got out and then Rabada came in or something, Shreyas could still finish the game. See, look, I thought he showed superb composure. Very, very difficult game to bat, I think. Not only because of the pitch, because of the hole we found ourselves in. You expect to knock down that score, but then we kept losing wickets at regular intervals. So I felt like all of a sudden Shreyas was there in the middle all the while, but I played only 30 balls, so that can happen. And I think he showed beautiful composure to tick it around, just stay there, just be there till the team got home. And I thought he batted beautifully. We had some good communication. In terms of, I went up to him, I asked him how's the wicket and what sort of shots to play and all that. Just got him to talk a little bit more because I wanted to understand how the pitch was, and eventually I think both of us clicked pretty well together. Look, I think when there is a lot being spoken, for me, I'm that sort of a person who needs to, get it out of my system, and I believe that getting it out of my system is very important. And truth be told, it's happened in my life for a long time, and I'm into my 14th, 15th year of, I don't know which number of IPL this is, honestly, sorry if I got it wrong, but played all the IPL all these years, and it just wipes out of my head. And I'm like I've said all along for the last couple of years, I feel like I'm enjoying my game. I'm at the top of my game. I'm enjoying my cricket, and all these things don't matter. It just hit me a little on the field when Morgan said what he had to say, because I didn't see it coming, and that's one of the reasons why I was a little surprised. But after that, post the game and all that, I just said